Welcome to Steady Trading MX. As I said in the last video of the weekly chart talk, I couldn't post last week a video to make an update. So again today I decided to talk about the Nasdaq 100 because what I'm seeing right now it's very interesting as last week and the week before. So let's begin. And let's begin with the chart talk. Before I forget, please comment the video, dislike it or like it, share with your friends and family, follow me on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. So let's get to it. Context. Okay, in the last chart talk, I said that this setup was actually looking good to entry in a short position. So I remember that what I'm saying here, it's not an investment recommendation nor direction for you to what to do and not to do. So I speak for myself and from the experience that I have. So I said that let me zoom in, that this setup was actually looking good. Let me draw again the trend lines in order to explain you if you don't remember or if you haven't seen the video. So let's draw the trend line, and then the horizontal line. I saw here a resistance here, which I talk about as well. So look at this. We have here a trend line which was actually break 4 weeks ago, almost a month, a month ago, was actually break up with this green candle, and I talk about it in a video. So, and this line, this horizontal line, this is a resistance line, is an area where the price can actually confront a bit of weaknesses and so after this setup, I said that I would personally look to enter in a short position here, and I said that it will be valid like around for 2 days, 3 days. I think I said 2 days because I didn't expect the full too long. But actually, look at this. The last week I couldn't post the weekly chart talk, but last week the Nasdaq closed like this with that big red candle and couldn't pass through this trend line. Then today is Friday and the Nasdaq closed in this week. The Nasdaq opened above the 10 moving average in the 12,000 mark. That's important and an important technical level. Look at this. I will draw it here so you can see. Wait a second here. This level, okay? So look, I said 2 weeks ago I would enter. Oh, sorry, I removed this. I would enter in a short position here at around 1270. Okay, this is the index. So I would enter in a short position in the Qs, okay? But I will enter here. Later I will put the Qs. And look, this short is still valid. It was actually just a pullback to the moving average, a rally in a bear market, I guess, and it's still valid. If I had entered here in a short position, I didn't, cause I just day trade. I'm not a position trader or swing trader, so but I know what I'm talking about. So I would have from here to here, I would have a very, very good trade going on, a winner one and a short one. I could have expect next week the price to touch, maybe next week, I guess next week, to touch the 200 moving average, and then I would close my trade there. in precaution, because that line is very important. It could fall, it could go farther below that point, but one can always re-enter that point. So right now, what I'm seeing is I'm in the trade, I'm in a short position, and now I'm looking to get out of it. So if the price touches this trend, this line, I will cover my position. I will try to cover my position and pocket the profit. So this is the Nasdaq 100, this is the index. So I have to show you the Qs. So here in the Qs is where we can actually do this move. Okay, we can buy and sell the stocks of the Qs. So the Qs actually retrace the price movement of the index of the Nasdaq 100. So look at this, is almost the same. The trend line here, the setup that I was talking about 2 weeks ago, right now how it closed. So it has been a very interesting month because we saw a short signal, and this signal was actually validated. Was validated. The position is still on, and now we are looking to close this position maybe in the next week. So that's all. Let me put the, okay, here we are again with the index, the Nasdaq 100. So look, this how this price actually really works, really beautiful. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was just like an update on what to do with the Nasdaq. Have a nice weekend. Please, if you like the video and what I'm posting, at least comment below and say, hey Ernesto, thanks a lot. I thank you, cause I don't know. So bye bye. Have a nice weekend.